If you're looking for high-impact effects for your radio spots, promos, and show programming, then you need Unique Tracks Radio Impacts. Radio Impacts is a collection of over 350 effects that will make your production stand out and be noticed. With 25 categories, there's something for every occasion. Accents, alarms, ascends, beds, bumpers, choppers, communication transmissions, descends, distortions, energy elements, hits, lasers, low rumbles, power downs and ups, unique radio hits, ramps, shortwave elements, special effects such as phone dials, scanners, spaceships, and time warps, stabs, startups and stops, station IDs, sweeps, tape rewinds, and whooshes. This collection is fast-moving, with effects that get right to the point, because airtime is money. It's stuff you'll need and stuff you'll use from Unique Tracks.